In this video, if you are looking for an easy website builder, stay tuned. Today, we're going to highlight Builderall. Now, this is the year 2020 that you're watching this video, and at the start of the year, Builderall, an all-in-one digital marketing tool and software program, has started a great pricing plan for the year. Before Builderall, and I know this from experience, they only offered, if you look over here to the right, they've only offered over the years the premium plan, which is $69.90. And I say that because you think, wow, that's a lot. It's really not a lot considering all that comes with this plan. And in this video, I'm just going to break down their new plans that they offer. They offer a free plan now. You know, it's comparable to like a Wix or a Weebly. You know, a lot of times this may come down to preference, so I'm not here to badmouth Wix or Weebly. I've used both of those platforms and they're good, you know. But Builderall has a few nice features that I really like and appreciate. And they also have some cons, of course, that I don't like. So I'll highlight them as well. But now that they offer this free plan, what does it come with? Here for Builderall, they put it at the top because I tell you, it really is a great website building tool. And that's what this video was based on. It's easy website building, as to not complicate things, because look at all these features that comes just with the free plan. It's incredible. All these highlighted features here. And then when you start to pay a monthly subscription, you get into even more features and plans. So as mentioned, the easy website building tool, Cheetah, drag and drop, is just that easy. Pre-made templates, whether you have a dentist office, a law firm, whether you're a mechanic, you're a painter, fitness, or whether you're into beauty and makeup, you can have a template, go in, customize it very easily. Just change the wording on these templates and you're up and running in no time. You know, depending on, you know, your skill set, you can have it up and running very quickly. And again, some of the cons of the free website is very similar to like a Wix or Weebly. The cons is you have subdomains instead of an actual domain, meaning you'll have at the top www.builderall.com/whatever your subdomain is, or, you know, beautybyus.com or whatever. So basically the platform would belong to Builderall. You would see their watermarks on your website. Now, if that's not an issue for you, by all means, I think you will really enjoy this software and this website building tool. And perhaps what I'll do is, to keep this video short, I will maybe come back and go through in detail how easy it is to drag and drop with the Cheetah website building tool. But while we have you here, quickly, we'll highlight their other plans that they offer. I've touched on the premium plan, but the next step up is a builder plan. Now, with the free plan, you get 100 subscribers. You know, if someone, you're capturing emails, you get up to 100. And the builder, you get is 100 subscribers as well. But notice the difference. You get 3 domains. So you can get 3 actual domains. You can create a totally separate website from your initial one, which is great. I like that. 2 gigabytes of space you get, and you get the live chat support, which you do not get with the free website building tool. And notice down here a few of the extras with the $19.90, I think it is you get these 3 items here. You get the super fast CDN servers, website daily backup, and this attack prevention with that. So you can see what you're paying for there, the domains, as well as these few other added features. And the same here for, let's see, $29 and $19.99, then $29.90, You see what you get there. You get all the same things, but in addition, you're getting the SMS messaging, CRM, you're getting the Builderall Telegram automation tools. So you can see, you can read here if you like to highlight some of the plans that Builderall offers and see what works for your business. Another con about the free tool is, of course, you don't get the SSL certificate. I don't think I mentioned that, but basically you don't have that ability to have that digital certificate that identifies your website and encrypts information. In layman's terms, it's when someone perhaps puts their credit card numbers and things on checkouts and things like that, an SSL certificate helps to encrypt that information, makes it very, very safe. Places like Google and other, browsers like that really require, websites nowadays to have an SSL certificate. But with the free platform, you're basically letting Builderall take care of that. You don't really have much control. They're hosting, they're doing all that for you on that, and it's limited as well. But check out Builderall. I'm going to keep this video short. I'm going to perhaps highlight the cheetah drag and drop in the next video. And if you have any other questions, maybe you can put a comment in the comment section. Again, check out this free tool. If you have a business, you want to ramp up your business, your online presence, Builderall is an all-in-one place. Another con about Builderall for me is that you can get shiny object syndrome with Builderall very quickly. I know I did. If you're focused on maybe tackling one project at a time, like maybe getting that website done and up first before you go into another project, you may not get overwhelmed like I did. Just being honest, because they have so many tools you can get overwhelmed. But check out Builderall. They have a 14-day free trial. Put in the description. Try it if you like. If not, no hard feelings. And it is an affiliate link. And I think for the free offer, they're not giving a whole lot out on that either. I don't think I make very much off of it. But whatever I make, I'll put back into the channel and continue to help you guys out going forward. Have a good day, guys. Take care. We'll see you in the next one.